Morning, friends, sailors, wherever you might be. Valley here on a crazy sail. It's been a really long night. I've had to do a lot of steering tonight. It's howling, big seas. Fortunately, I had a bit of breakage and a bit of damage to my mainsail. I did probably about a dozen accidental jibes. Some of them due to the hydrovane, some of them due to my steering errors. I'm exhausted. I got probably 6 more hours until I can find anchorage somewhere. It's going to be a tough go, but that's how it goes. We're moving fast. I could probably put the drogue out, or the krog, as we call it, and lower some sails. But I'm also really enjoying doing the speed. Not so much because I'm enjoying the speed itself, but mostly because it's getting me to my destination faster. And I got to balance this out. Yeah, valley out.